Howdy folks, Dan here. I have just got my Artist Solaris guitar and I'm going to unbox it. So I'm going to go down to the lounge room where I've left it, and I'm going to take my phone with me and get my wife to film me opening it up. Let's see how we go. Okay, unboxing the Solaris by Artist today. Exactly on time on the 29th, actually pretty good. Courier's Place delivered it and did it on time, which is really good. It's normally just an estimate. Moment of truth. It's fast approaching. Oh wow. To confess, my heart's beating a bit. Ooh. I don't know what I was expecting, but somehow this is looking better than what I ever expected. It's well protected. Oh man. Oh man, that's prettier than I ever imagined. Wow. Protected there. What I'll do is have a quick look at the body. I don't notice any imperfections. Wow. That looks pretty darn amazing. I'll just take this off now. A few of these. Tasty. Save them for later. And there we are. It's pretty darn amazing. The headstock. And then the back is also quite impressive. That lovely dark mahogany. It's got the truss rod adjustment area. 5-way switch. Let's see how that feels. It's a very nice switch actually. Feels quality. And I love these sunken in knobs. A little bit scratchy on the turn. Huh. It's actually touching the... It's really strange. It's not centered. You can hear it. I'd have to look at what that is. This one's perfect. No, it does the same. I suppose it doesn't really matter. Wow, let's see what else has come in the box. Wiggle stick, cheap cable. I wonder if it's got a truss rod adjustment key. Yes, truss rod adjustment key. Screw in wiggle stick. Oh, there you go. And the weight, 3.6 kilos. And in pounds, 7.15. 7 pounds, 15 ounces. So the fret edges are good. They're really smooth. They're very well done. The frets themselves are a bit gritty. You can actually hear that. But that's okay. I mean, just a bit of a clean, bit of a polish should be fine. The action out of the box is surprisingly good. This is not tuned yet, obviously, but it's very low. Yeah, it feels good. Okay, we're back in the studio. So I've got it all tuned up and ready to go. Let's hear how it sounds. First test, neck pickup. This is in position 5, from 5-way switch. I've got to say, that sounds pretty darn special. Okay, second, this is the fourth position. So a drop in volume. I think it's because this is the coil split. Yes, but very minor drop in volume. It's going a bit out of tune, but I'm not going to bother with that just now. Let's just tune up the strings. Let's go for the middle position. That's got a bit of bite to it. Yeah, I like that. This is now position 2. That sounds alright. I quite like that. And here's the bridge. That's pretty impressive. Put in the wiggle stick, and I've put on the clone and a bit of reverb. So just to give you an idea of some of the dirt. I haven't tried the wiggle stick yet. Let's try this though. This is the bridge. Seems to stay in tune. Okay. Going to the neck. Seems nice. Middle. Nice. Let's try position number 4. And position number 4. Okay, I've now got my Sonic Cake Phasey Cream fuzz pedal running at the same time. Let's hear how it sounds. I like it. Okay, back to a bit of gain just with the clone on the neck pickup. Seems to stay reasonably in tune despite it's a bit out now. but the tuning stability is still pretty good. Okay, final conclusions. The Artist Solaris. It's one hell of a guitar for, I think it's what, $349. Unbelievable value. It has locking tuners, and they are, as I've discovered, reasonably stable, even with a guitar that's just had its strings set. Two bullbucker humbucking pickups that actually sound really awesome. 5-way blade switch. It's very good. The positions give you a lot of options. One single tone and one single volume. A little bit scratchy maybe, but nothing to write home about. I certainly wouldn't be worried about that. When I say scratchy, I mean that it sort of almost doesn't fit the hole. Kind of strange, hard to describe. You can hear it there. It scarcely matters. The build quality is immaculate. I think this is possibly the highest level quality of any guitar that I've seen from Artist. There's a little bit of sort of smudging that just would need just a wipe, but it's come to me essentially perfect. When I say smudging, a bit from the strings or whatever here on the binding, it's pretty darn awesome. It has some kind of eco rosewood fretboard. The body is mahogany. It's got what looks like a maple veneer top, book matched, so it has this lovely effect. It's a grey. It's actually a beautiful color. I wasn't expecting to like the color. I thought it would just be meh, you know, grey, but I'm actually amazed by it. I think it's a very, very good guitar. It has a bone nut by the look of it. I'm not sure, it looks like bone to me. It's certainly well cut. The fret edges, as I said before, are perfect. There's nothing wrong with them. It's as smooth as I've ever experienced on a guitar at this price range, and I can actually see that they're well finished. The frets need cleaning. They're kind of grimy, gritty feel. That's okay. That would be nothing. Change the strings, polish them up in no time. What else can I say? It's got a C-shaped neck. It's a glossy neck, so just be aware of that. I don't mind that at all. The whammy is a bit stiff, but for a little bit of an effect, I think it's quite fine. I think it's great. I won't be messing with that much, and it seems to stay in tune. Artist Solaris, go out and get one now. They're awesome. I can't recommend this really enough. For the price especially. It's a light 6 kilos, well balanced. If I just, yep, there you go. Balances pretty perfectly. No strap. How does it balance on the strap? Perfectly. So there you are. How about that? It's pretty darn amazing. Go out and get one. All right, see you then.